So magandang araw Kabole. So sa free agency naman yung usapan natin dito Kabole. Kung saan pag-uusapan natin si Arvin Tolentino Kabole na nagbigay po na update sa status niya. And pag-uusapan din natin Kabole itong Meralco superstar Kabole, Converge, Ginebra at si Kyle Tamayo. So may hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. Let's start nga po dito kay Boss Arvin Tolentino Kabole na kinausap po ang media and explain niya yung current situation Kabole regarding nga po sa contract niya. Sabi po ni Boss Arvin Tolentino Kabole, who is currently an MVP candidate, believe it or not Kabole, ganun po kaganda ngayon ang production ng isang Arvin Tolentino. I think he's arguably the best shooter if we consider the height and etc. Kabole. He's currently the best shooter po in the PBA. And not only a shooter, he's also one of the best defenders. So this guy is really playing out of his mind. Kaya deserve niya po yung attention na to. Deserve niya yung mga offers po from abroad. Pero ang ganda ng statement niya dito sa article, ang ganda ng statement niya po dito sa interview, stating that PBA pa din ang kanyang focus and the chances of him remaining in Northport is huge kasi nga po nire-respeto niya or gusto niya po yung trato sa kanya, gusto niya po yung support, komportable po siya, and etc. Pero for me, reading between the lines, I think the chances of him going international is actually higher after reading this Kabole. Kasi para sa akin, itong mga pinagsasabi po ni Arvin, parang kumbaga, minimake sure niya lang na matatag yung bridge niya pabalik, just in case hindi po mag-work yung pupuntahan niya pong international career. Yun lang naman yung akin. And for me, I think mas better pa rin na pumunta po siya sa International League kasi again, mas malaki po yung financial po na makukuha niya doon, and again, it is a higher level of league. And we want our best players po in the league or in the country to play in the highest level that they can play Kabole. Now, Ginebra, tinalo po ang Converge Kabole dun po sa Pampanga. And for me, even though of course lopsided po yung naging laro, is still a very good game to watch. It's actually a great thing to watch. Ginebra playing against a crowd Kabole na obviously sinusuportahan po yung Converge Kabole. Although of course, ang dami pa rin po sinusuporta ng Ginebra kasi hindi lang Ginebra kundi nandun sa Aguilar, which is also from Pampanga. Again, dito natin makikita Kabole, punong-puno yung venue Kabole, and okay yung crowd Kabole. Dito natin makikita na if the PBA will turn regional Kabole, it will be really something. It can be special. Now, gusto ko lang i-highlight, Kyle Tamayo is making a name for himself right now doon po sa finals Kabole, doon po sa KBL. I mean, he is legit the best, kumbaga, out of the foreign imports or out of the American, European imports Kabole, although import din siya doon, is their best player Kabole. He is really playing really well. I mean, he is making a name for himself. He is saying sa KBL Kabole that Filipino players can be your legit import in this country. And I think ito yung resulta Kabole ng paglalaro o pagpili po ng international league ng mga young players natin. Lumalabas po yung iba pang level, yung mas mataas pa ng level ng play po nila Kabole. Yun yung pinapakita ng isang Kyle Tamayo. Kaya we are still encouraging the others. Kahit masakit to for the PBA, we encourage them to go to a league that is much higher than the PBA, and KBL is one of them Kabole, unfortunately. Now, ito nga, Chris Newsome Kabole, lumalakas na talaga yung ugong regarding his unrestricted free agency. And of course, qualified na po kasi talaga siya to become unrestricted free agent. And yung pagtatapos na lang po yung kontrata niya, yung nahihintay. And I think, Kabole, pareho sila ni Arvin Tolentino at the end of this tournament Kabole, he can become now an unrestricted free agent. Although si Arvin pala, restricted free agency. Pero doon si Chris Newsome, unrestricted free agency. And again, kung unrestricted free agency po siya, he can choose the team that he can place for. And one of the team that is strongly rumored na connected po sa kanya is wala na pong iba kundi Ginebra because of his good working relationship with Coach Tim Cone Kabole. Now, we are still hopeful that ma-retain po siya ng Meralco, pero unfortunately for Meralco, the reality that nanalo na po siya ng championship with them could be actually a good reason for him to leave na kasi nabigay na yung championship, diba? So that's very unfortunate, pero still kung sakali man po na mag-decide siya na umalis Kabole, he still deserves the gold status in the Meralco franchise. Kung makabal sa palagay mo, ang Meralco Gold ba ay si Newsome? Comment lang po sa baba.